Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by locking the essentials so the build moves fast. Connect your domain and verify DNS propagation. This makes SSL issue-free later. Once done, pick a high-converting template and replace the dummy hero with your real offer, short headline, subhead, and one clear CTA. Make sure your logo and color palette are uploaded now so components inherit styles. You'll save time and avoid visual rework. Next, we assemble sections and automation. Now you assemble the page from top to bottom. Drag and hero, benefits grid, proof strip, and a final CTA. Each section needs a clear purpose and one action. For conversions, use a short form with only the fields you need. Consider a two-step opt-in to lift conversions. Once content is placed, switch to mobile preview and adjust spacing so buttons remain thumb-friendly. Also preload the hero image at a 3:2 ratio to reduce layout shift. This speeds load and improves UX. Finish by wiring up integrations and validating behavior. Connect your email provider or CRM, set the thank you redirect, and enable webhooks for downstream actions. This ensures leads flow automatically. Then run 3 tests. Submit the form, click CTAs on mobile, and measure load time. Fix anything above 3 seconds. Once live, add UTM parameters and verify analytics events. If something breaks, check DNS/SSL first. Often cache, mixed content, or misconfigured redirect causes failures. Clear cache and retest immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.